good morning. It's me, Savvy. Right now it is currently 3:30 in the morning, and I could not sleep last night at all, so my voice is all scratchy because I'm tired. But I want to do a look for you guys, so I am gonna do a plaid look on my eyes. I'm going to use my Conspiracy palette, and I'm going to use the colors Flaming Hot, Ranch, and I'm going to use them, or not Flaming Hot, Ranch, wow. Ranch, my red is here, and then I'm going to use the mini and use my Apology, because it's like a prettier, rustier red, instead of like a red. So yeah, it's probably, I don't know how it's going to turn out, because A, I'm tired, and B, I've never done plaid before, so let's get started. So first thing I do, if you haven't seen my other videos, is tape my eyes and prime my eyes with the Shadow Insurance Too Faced. So the first shade I'm going to put all over my eyelids for my base color is going to be my Pills, since it actually matches my lid color very well. Now I'm going to take my Apology and start doing the squares. Now I'm gonna take my reds here and do the same thing, and then I'm gonna take Ranch and do the same thing. So that's what it looks like so far. It's definitely not the best look I've done, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean it up off camera and see if I can fix it a little bit. Okay, so that is the finished look. I like this eye a lot better than this eye, but I tried to clean it up. It's okay. Definitely not the best look I've done, but it's there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free and it helps me out, and you get to see funny videos from me. Also find me on Instagram, SavvyBuka7, and on Twitter, XXVampireNight. Thank you.